Amy and her friend Pam are out to jump in puddles after it's rained. Welcome. Let's read. Jump in the puddle. The special word in this story is the sight word. Jump. Jump. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. We go to jump in rain puddles. We go to jump in rain puddles. I see a little puddle. I see a little puddle. I jump in the little puddle. I jump in the little puddle. Pam wants to jump too. Pam wants to jump too. We see a big puddle. We see a big puddle. We jump in the big puddle. We jump in the big puddle. We jump up and down in the big puddle. We jump up and down in the big puddle. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green. Jump. Can you read this page? It says, I jump in the little puddle. Can you also read this page? It says, Pam wants to jump too. Read. What is Amy and Pam doing? Jumping. It says, we jump up and down in the big puddle. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Jump. Okay. Let's play some games and practice spotting the word jump. First, can you find the word jump? Which is the word jump? Jump. Again, find the word jump. Here it is. Jump. Last one. What letter does the word jump start with? Jump. It's J. Jump. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.